making photo candles. This is in memory of someone. What I did was actually Mod Podged a picture. This is just from like the Dollar Tree, and I use this too. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. But I basically just Mod Podged a picture to it after I cut it out. It's still drying, but the next thing I'm going to do is pour the wax in, and right now the wax is melting. I'll show you guys that here shortly. But I Mod Podged the picture. I'm going to Mod Podge this part. That's the only part that I have left to do, so that when I pour the wax, it doesn't seep through the picture. Alright, y'all, this is wax. It comes as flakes because I don't like to break it down myself. And it's currently melting. I have it melting on low because you don't want to burn the wax, then your candles will smell disgusting. This one is going to be non-scented just because they're not meant to be burnt. So it's going to be an unscented candle. Little fact here, well, a few little facts. You wait till the wax is clear or melted down all the way completely. That's why you melt it at low. I'm using soy wax, so I don't want to go over 160 degrees. You can see currently, let's see, oops, my thermometer is just over 100, barely. So I'm going to let that until it's like completely clear or see-through, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to pour it into the containers at 100 degrees. I'm going to add my fragrance at 120 degrees. And I'm going to pour it at 100 degrees when it's, so I don't want it to seep through the picture, so I want it to be as cool as possible. Go ahead and take it off. Right now the temperature is at, trying to focus in. Well, anyways, sorry y'all, but it says 130. So I'm going to take it off, it's clear, and I'm going to let it cool to 120. I'm going to put in fragrance oil, and I'm going to let it cool to 100 degrees, and then I'm going to pour it into the containers. So when the mixture is cloudy is when I pour it into the container. So see how it's starting to get cloudy? I'm going to wait about maybe 5-10 more minutes, and then I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to let it cool down a little bit. Once it starts to cool, I'm going to go ahead and stick the wicks in. And then I will show you the process that I go through when doing that as well. Okay, so this is how I wick them. I'm pretty good at it. I used to have something that holds them straight, but I pretty much got it down. As you can see on these back here, these would not be burned, so I did put glitter on them. And then for all the imperfections, I'll use a blow dryer to make the wax seep down so that my pictures are perfect. Alright, now I'm going to let this dry, and I will show you guys the finished product. Final product, I just want to show you guys where you guys can see. Sorry I don't have good light. It's early. So that is the final product. Like I said yesterday, or when I was finishing up here, this is the final product. I will blow dry this part right here where the wax is, again, just to make sure that it looks like this one. But yeah, all done. I scented this with Gain, so yeah, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.